So, if you are an AI developer, you can use Nevermind to easily control and sell access to your AI model via a smart subscription. Once registered, it will be available in our marketplace, and you can make some money from it. For this tutorial, let's use the example of an AI agent that we made. It's a service that helps with summarizing medical research documents. And we're going to use the Nevermind app to make it available to developers who want to integrate a summarizer service into their app. Now, to make your assets available to potential buyers, the first thing you need to do is create a subscription plan. Always. First, create a subscription plan. Then, add an asset to it. Before you start, two things. 1. Make sure you are connected to your preferred network. The first time, you will be asked to sign a message with your wallet. And there you go. In this case, I'm connected to Arbitrum's testnet. 2. Make sure you have a small amount of the network token to pay for the transaction cost. This is needed to create your subscription. We have some test coins here, so we're ready to go. Okay, let's create our plan. Click on New, then on Plan, and we're off. Step 1. Describe what your plan is offering. In this case, we'll say it's 1 month access to our summarizer agent. I'll also add an image, for instance, a company logo. And you have to add some tags to make it easy to find in the marketplace. Step 2. Define the conditions for your plan. First, how long will someone get access to your AI agent? Let's say it's a 1-month subscription. Next, what does a subscription cost? $8.99 sounds reasonable. And finally, it's good practice to change the title to something specific. Step 3. Just check if you're happy. If so, click Next and wait a little bit for your subscription to be registered in the blockchain. You will have to sign 2 transactions in your MetaMask wallet, but that's all. Done. Now, you have a subscription plan, which you can see in your dashboard. The next step is to go and add the actual asset, the web service for our AI agent.